So, hello everyone, this is Miss Mariam Khalil again. If you did not catch up with my name, I'm going to share my whiteboard now and start with the first problem that you should solve. Again, this session is only a revision on what you've studied in math last year, which is grade 6. So we will be revising today algebra, and the first problem.
Sure, could we make it like competition?
So yes, of course. The competition here will be actually gaining bonus marks. So the more you answer correctly, the more your chance to collect bonus marks. And at the end of the session, or when we finish the session, I'm going to send a screenshot, a picture of your bonus marks, so you would know how many you've earned. Okay, so that's problem number 1. In an exam, of math, in one class, the ratio among the weak pupils or students to those who succeeded to the excellent pupils was 1 to 4 to 1. 1 to 4 to 1. So this is the ratio. Now, if the number of all pupils in the class was 30. The question here is to calculate the number of succeeded pupils
Sure, we're gonna only tell you the answer, or we're gonna show you.
and I'll tell you how you will send me the answer and the number of weak pupils. This is the problem. The answer to this problem, so let's write number 1. The answer, you have weak to succeeded to excellent students. This is the ratio, it's 1 to 4 to 1. The total number of pupils is equal to 30. All right, so this means that there's a number here above 30. There's a number here over 30, and there's a real number here over 30 as well.
Teacher, I got the answer. Did you see it?
Thank you, Salma. But let's just try it together first. What we have to look for here is the number of succeeded and the weak. First thing that we need to do, add the ratios. Okay, so the total ratio here is 1 plus 4 plus 1, so it's 6. Now, the balance is complete. What we can try to find here are the question mark. Let's put some numbers here. How do we find number 1? So we put the ratio, which is 1/6, to something over 30. And then we do the cross multiplication. So this question mark, or the number of weak students, is equal to 30 multiplied by 1 divided 6. This is equal to 5. This is the number of the weak students, 2. Do you follow what I'm doing? From where did I get the 1/6?
Teacher, wait a second. You didn't tell us that this was weak, this was success, you did an excellent. You didn't tell us this. You have just told us.
Let's go back to the problem. Let's go back to the problem. So, weak pupils, you have keywords in any wording problem. Weak students, it's the first category, so it takes the 1 respectively. And then succeeded students, it's 4. And then excellent students, it's 1. This is where I got the information.
It's only 5 and 9.
Yeah?
So the answer is 5 and 9.
Let's see. Number 2. Let's find the number of succeeded students. Number of succeeded students is actually 4/6. So this is the ratio to the real numbers. Question over 30. Now let's do the succeeded using cross multiplication. So it's 30 multiplied by 4 divided by 6. So it's 20. There are 2 ways to find the last category of students, which are the excellent ones. I can do the same thing by cross multiplication, or easily subtract 20 and 5 from 30. So excellent students, it's 30 minus 20 minus 5, which is 5. So what's the correct answer? It's 5 and 20. Thank you for trying, Omar and Salma. I appreciate this so much. And let's take the problem. Problem number 2. Again in algebra, a ship for transporting goods among countries. So it's a cargo ship. It consumes 25 liters of fuel. Okay, to cover a distance 15 kilometers. I want you to calculate the rate of consumption of fuel. If you want me to say some clues, please let me know, or just try to find the answer. careful, because in this kind of problem, you have to make sure you are using the correct measuring units or units of measurement. So let's find the answer. Salma, your answer again is not correct. So I can see where your problem is. So please focus, look at the screen, and let's do this together. The answer to the problem. When we're finding a rate, it's something that goes proportional with something else. So this ship, let's say this is how it looks. Pardon my terrible drawing. Anyway, so this ship sails in the water. It consumes how many liters of fuel? It consumes actually 25 liters. And these liters makes the ship go for 15 kilometers in the sea. What is the rate of consumption? The rate of consumption in this case is actually the consumption of fuel, or the fuel used or fuel consumed divided by the distance covered. Let's instead write covered distance, or distance divided by distance covered. So, and this is measured in liters per kilometer. Now, let's take away the words and put instead the numbers. It's gonna be 25 liters divided by 15. Again, liters per kilometer. Let's simplify. Let's simplify. If we divide by 5 up and down, so divide by 5 up and down. What do we get? We get 5 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. Again, don't forget the measuring unit or unit of measurement. It is liter per kilometers. Did you know where exactly your mistake, Salma?
Teacher, I understand, but I didn't take it like this.
You didn't, excuse me?
I didn't take it like this. I take it like to divide, not to take it like divide by 5. I didn't take it like this way.
Oh, so you can cancel. You can do this on the calculator. By the way, on the calculator, if you do this, it will give you 1.66667, the repeating number. 1.6, not 0.6. So maybe you just flipped over the fraction. You divided 15 over 25 and not the opposite.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Salma. The last minute question, it's problem number 3. Find the missed number X if the numbers three, 4, 9, and X are proportional. This is the problem.
I know how to answer it.
All right. Now, try to solve this and send your answer in the chat window. By this, the session has ended. This is the last problem in this session.